Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and you've joined me here today at this amazing property, Inglenook, in the delightful village of Napton, where we've got a beautiful 4 double bedroom home with delightful rear gardens. And at the front we've got a double garage with a studio above and a stunning thatched 1 bedroom cottage. It really is beautiful. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the beautiful and large rear gardens of this amazing home. We've got a good sized patio that steps down onto a lovely lawn, and at the rear we've got amazing countryside views. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.